Dumelang Bonali, hello good people, it's your GBE from MSD and we're back with another tutorial video for the channel. I hope you guys are good. I'm also super good. So guys, in today's video we'll be doing mathematics for grade 10 conducted by Tutor Matome. So guys, you know, always get ready with a study material, relax, get yourself a comfortable chair because it's time for you to get educated. Let's get to the lesson guys.
Hi guys, I'm doing exponents with you, and remember, exponent is the shortest way to write repeated multiplication. So a multiplied by 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 a. So the shortest way to write a times a times a times a times a times a is a to the power 6. So a is the base and 6 is the exponent. Exponent shows how many times a number is multiplied by itself. So 2 to the power 6 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 6 times. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 64. So 2a to the power n. A is the base, n is the exponent, and 2 is the coefficient. Remember, coefficient there is a number that is attached to the base. So if we have 3 to the power 5 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And if we have 3x cubed is the same as 3 times x times x times x. So guys, I'll be explaining laws of exponents. Laws of exponents are rules that allow us to simplify exponential expressions and also to solve exponential equations. So remember, any number to the power of 0 is 1. A to the power of 0 is 1. 5 to the power of 0 is 1. So ab to the power of 0 is a multiplied by 1 because b to the power of 0 is 1. So is a. So 2x y to the power of 0 is equals to 2x times 1 because y to the power of 0 is 1. So is 2x. So remember, any number to the power of negative exponent is written as a fraction. So a to the power negative n is 1 over a to the power n. X to the power negative 2 is equals to 1 over x squared. So if you are given ab to the power negative n is equal to a times b to the power negative n. Why? When we multiply bases, we write the combination as it is. So is a times b is equals to ab. So ab is the same as a times b. So b to the power n. Any number raised to the power of negative exponent is written as a fraction. Is a times 1 over b to the power n. Therefore, we multiply the numerator and denominator. So is a over b to the power n. So if we have 2xy to the power negative 2 is equal to 2x times 1 over y squared, which is 2 over y squared is going to be 2x. So you can be given 3a cubed b minus 2 plus 3x y to the power of 0. So check. Here is going to be 3a cubed multiplied by 1 over b to the power 2. Why? Because always we leave the answer with a positive exponent. So plus 3x y to the power of 0 is 3x times y, which is the same as over 1. So it's going to be 3a cubed over b squared plus 3x. So guys, laws of exponents. Any number to the power of 0 is 1. Any number raised to the power of negative exponent is written as a fraction. When we multiply same base, we must add the exponents. So a to the power n multiplied by a to the power m is equals to a to the power n plus m. When we multiply same base, we add exponents. So a to the power 3 multiplied by a to the power 2 is equal to a to the power 3 plus 2, which is a to the power 5. So a to the power r times a to the power t. When we multiply same base, we add exponents, is a to the power r plus t. So if we are given x to the power 4 multiplied by x to the power 2 is equals to x to the power 4 plus 2, which is x to the power 6. So x to the power n plus 1 multiplied by x to the power n minus 1. When we multiplying same base, we add exponents, is x to the power n plus 1 plus n minus 1. Now we group the like terms. It's going to be x to the power n plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 cancel 1. So n plus n is 2n. So it's going to be x to the power 2n. 2x multiplied by 2 to the power y. When we multiplying same base, we add exponents, is 2 to the power x plus y. So 3x plus y multiplied by 3x minus y is equals to, when we multiply same base, we add exponents, is 3 to the power x plus y plus x minus y. So we group like terms, is 3x plus y minus y. So check, y will cancel with y, and x plus x is 2x. Why? Because they have the same base and exponents, is 3 to the power 2x. So when we multiply same base, we add the exponents. So 4a cubed b squared multiplied by 3ab. 4 times 3 is 12. A to the power 3 plus 1, b to the power 2 plus 1. Because we multiply same base, we add exponents. B squared b to the power 1 is 12a to the power 4, b to the power 3. When we dividing same base, we minus the exponents. So a to the power n divided by a to the power m is equals to a to the power n minus m. When we dividing same base, we minus the exponents. So a to the power 3 divided by a squared is equals to a to the power 3 minus 2, which is a. So x to the power r divided by x to the power t. When we dividing same base, we minus the exponents, is x to the power r minus t. B to the power n over b to the power m. When we dividing same base, we minus the exponents, is b to the power n minus m. So a to the power x minus y, a to the power x minus y is equals to a to the power x divided by a to the power y. Because when we dividing same base, we minus the exponents. So if we are given 4 to the power m minus n, is the same as 4 to the power m divide by 4 to the power n. When we're dividing same base, we minus the exponents. So 2x cubed y to the power 4 divided by 3xy is going to be 2 divided by 3 is 2 divided by 3, x to the power 3 minus 1, y to the power 4 minus 1. When we're dividing same base, we minus the exponent. So it's 2 over 3 x squared y cubed. So 2x plus y divided by 2x minus y. Check. When we're dividing same base, we minus the exponent. So it's 2x plus y minus open bracket x minus y, which is 2x plus y. Therefore, we remove the brackets by multiplying by negative sign. So it's negative times positive is negative x, negative times positive is positive y. Therefore, we group the like terms. Is 2x minus y plus y. Is 2 to the power x minus x plus y plus y. So x will cancel with x. Y plus y is 2y. So it's 2 to the power 2y. When dividing same base, we minus the exponents. So 3a cubed b squared divided by ab is the same as 3 to the power a, 3a to the power 3 minus 1, b to the power 2 minus 1, which is 3a squared b. When a power is raised to a power, we multiply exponents. So a to the power n raised to the power m is equals to a to the power n times m. So a to the power 3 all raised to the power 2 is equals to a to the power 3 times 2. And 3 times 2 is 6. So it's a to the power 6. So x to the power 4 all raised to the power 3 plus x to the power 3 all raised to the power 4. Check. When a power is raised to a power, we multiply exponents. Is x to the power 4 times 3 plus x to the power 3 times 4. So 4 times 3 is 12. So it's x to the power 12. 3 times 4 is 12 plus x to the power 12. Therefore, like terms have the same base and same exponents. So x to the power 12 plus x to the power 12 is 2x to the power 12. So x to the power n plus 1 all raised to the power n minus 1 is going to be x to the power n plus 1 n minus 1. Remember guys, difference of two squares. Terms in the bracket are the same. Is n, 1 and 1. The only difference is the sign. So it's going to be x to the power n squared minus 1. 2x plus y all raised to the power 2. When a power is raised to a power, we multiply exponents. So it's 2 to the power 2 into x plus y. Therefore, is 2 to the power 2 times x is 2x. 2 times y is plus 2y. So a to the power 2 all raised to the power of 0. Check. Is going to be a to the power 2 times 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So it's a to the power of 0. And any number to the power of 0 is 1. When a product in bracket is raised to a power, each factor of the product will be raised to that power. So AB raised to the power n is going to be a to the power n, b to the power n. So x, y all to the power 2 is going to be x to the power 2, y to the power 2. So 2x multiplied by 3y all raised to the power 4 is going to be 2 to the power 4x, 3 to the power 4y. So a to the power m, b to the power n, all raised to the power x is going to be a to the power m times x, b to the power n times x. So x to the power 3, y to the power 4, all raised to the power 5 is going to be x to the power 3 times 5, y to the power 4 times 5, which is x to the power 3 times 5 is 15. Y to the power 4 times 5 is 20. 2 to the power 3y multiplied by 4 to the power 3y is going to be 2 times 4 all raised to the power 3y. And 2 times 4 is 8. So it's 8 to the power 3y. So 3pq all to the power 2 plus 3p squared q squared divided by 12pq. Check. It's going to be 3 squared p squared q squared plus 3p squared q squared divided by 12pq. So 3 squared is 9. P squared q squared plus 3p squared q squared divided by 12pq. So check. 9p squared q squared plus 3p squared q squared, like terms, have the same base and same exponent. So 9 plus 3 is 12p squared q squared divided by 12pq. So 12 will cancel 12. Therefore, when we dividing same base, we minus the exponents. Is p to the power 2 minus 1, q to the power 2 minus 1. So the answer is pq. When a fraction in bracket is raised to a power, the numerator and denominator will both be raised to that power. So a over b all raised to the power n is going to be a to the power n over b to the power n. So x over y all raised to the power 2 is going to be x to the power 2 over y to the power 2. So 2x cubed over 3y squared all raised to the power 4 is going to be 2 to the power 4 x to the power 3 times 4 over 3 to the power 4 y to the power 2 times 4. So 2 to the power 4 is 16. X to the power 3 times 4 is 12. Divided by 3 to the power 4 is 81. Y to the power 2 times 4 is 8. So if we are given a to the power 2 over a to the power 3 all raised to the power 4 multiplied by a to the power 5 is going to be a to the power 2 times 4 over a to the power 3 times 4 multiplied by a to the power 5. So 2 times 4 is a to the power 8 over 3 times 4 is a to the power 12 multiplied by a to the power 5 over 1. So check. We multiply numerator and denominator. So a to the power 8 multiplied by a to the power 5. When we multiply in same base, we add exponents. Is a to the power 8 plus 5 divided by a to the power 12. So 8 plus 5 is a to the power 13 over a to the power 12. When we dividing same base, we minus the exponents is a to the power 13 minus 12, which is a to the power 1. I've explained all laws of exponents. Know how and when to apply them when simplifying exponential expression. So always remember these laws, guys. A to the power of 0 is 1. A to the power negative n is 1 over a to the power n. A to the power n multiplied by a to the power m is a to the power n plus m. A to the power n divided by a to the power m is a to the power n minus m. A to the power n all raised to the power m is a to the power n times m. AB all raised to the power n is a to the power n b to the power n. So a over b all raised to the power n is a to the power n over b to the power n. These are laws of exponents.
Okay guys, that was it for today. I hope you gained a lot. And guys, you know, we always say we aiming for straight A's, but we cannot say that without putting some actions in our way. So put some more effort in schoolwork and not will be one of the high class school. So guys, if you're new to the channel, also like the video. Please do not forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification for new updates. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Just search MSD Math Science Daily. We share some links that lead you straight to our YouTube channel. Why not just like, comment, share, and keep on learning. From your GB from MSD to you guys, till we'll meet again with another tutorial videos for the channel. Peace.